Okay. Yeah, good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon to our Smart Ed implementers. Ano? So, just what the task given to me by Sir Ariel, I would like to present to you the saan tayo kukuha ng mga materials because as far as we have monitored nga some of the schools, there are some teachers who are telling na hindi pa nga ginagamit. I do agree with Ma'am Donna's opening remarks kanina and inspiration. So we thank the management for have this initial orientation for our teachers so that you could initially use the materials even though hindi pa nga yung formal training natin at syempre, there are also process na we will abide. Okay, so my task of course is to present to you the materials. Saan ba tayo kukuha ng mga materials na pwede natin gamitin sa ating Smart Ed? So allow me to share my presentation. Ito na lang aking buong screen. Ayan. Makikita, Sir Riel. Okay. First, of course, no, una kong ibabanggitin yung ating, ayan, babanggitin sa inyo is yung ating, lang Yel. Klaro ba akong presentation? Okay. Babanggitin ko po sa inyo yung ating LRMDS. Ito po yung talagang pinakauna nating pupuntahan. This is the website lrmds.deped.gov.ph because this is the official portal po ng ating LR. And kanina ko pa rin talaga ito netatry. Talagang sira yata siya ngayon at this moment. But I would like to share with you the presentation from FB ito. How we could log in kasi nakikita din po natin with of course the task of Aleta na marami pa rin pong hindi nakakapag-register sa ating LR portal. So hopefully lahat po ng naka-present ngayon ay active, no? When we say active, you registered with our LR portal at the same time you download materials po natin. Sige, allow me to share the video on how to register and use the this portal and look for materials, especially yung mga interactive materials. Ayan, yan po ang for yan po ang para naman sa ating LRMDS portal, and I hope po ay kayo ay makapag-register niyan. The other one na aking isi-share sa inyo ay yung sinasabi natin na National Education Portal. This one, magla-login din po tayo dito. I hope lahat naman tayo ng teachers na try ng ating VINSET ay nakapag-register, pero yung wala pa po, you should or you may register here, no? So meron naman po yung saan ba to? You will type here the r12lms.deped.gov.ph. This is the National Education Portal, no? So ito po yung allowed natin na pwedeng pagkukunan ng material. This is it. And from here, hopefully nakasunod po tayo. From here, we have different courses. Yan. Kung napansin ninyo, nandito yung PNP-KI at nandito rin po yung ating mga ready-to-print self-learning module. So, kung hindi po kayo nabigyan ng printed copy, nandito po lahat ng material, ma-access po natin to. And these are all recommended by the central office. So, yung nagsasabing walang material, ito po siya. Kompleto po tayo from kinder to grade 12. And in senior high school, only core and applied, no? Kung i-access natin ito. Only core and applied. Sige. Those are from the SLMs na pwede nating gawing interactive. Later, ituturo ko din sa inyo kung saan tayo pwedeng makagawa ng mga interactive materials. And here, balik po ako dito sa ating site home. Ayan. Kung saan, ituturo po namin sa inyo saan ba natin nilalagay yung mga materials ni Sarangani. Now, yung mga interactive materials na nasabi rin kanina ni Sir Ariel na pwede nating i-download at i-back up. So ito po siya. By the way, we are also encouraging you to use this one. So punta po kayo sa course ng Schools Division Office at makikita niyo si Sarangani. And here, this is the LR on Wheels, and all of our schools ay nandito po lahat. So makikita po natin dito anong school ba ang active in this national portal. Kasi dito po, being a smart ed implementer, pwede po kayong gumawa dito ng inyong mga material online. No, kahit nasa bahay kayo o hindi, pwede po kayong gumawa nito ng material. So dito po ako sa LR on Wheels. Ito po yung repository ng mga materials na ginawa po ng ating mga content creators. This like for example, sa mga hindi pa po nakakita ng interactive material na ng mga hindi LR on Wheels implementers, example po, nasa grade 7 tayo. Siguro I'll be accessing grade 7 with English. So as you could see, walang material dyan. Okay, grade 6, grade 7 yung na-try ko kaina. I'll go with English. Sige, try natin. Science na lang siguro. Science. Okay, science. May laman to. Ayan, makikita po natin ang ating material po sa LR on Wheels at sa mga Smart Ed. We are using the instructional design na IPs. We have our introduction, the pre-test, engagement, application, consolidation, and evaluation. So magsasample po tayo ng isang material na interactive. All right, this is quarter 1, week 1. Let's have this H5P. Ayaw niya. Okay, doon tayo sa quarter 3 kasi yung quarter 3 talagang naka-advanced HTML na yun eh. Quarter 3. Ito po yung mga materials natin. So marami na po tayong mga materials. It's upon you, no, na magda-download dito. Okay, I'll try with sige daw. Eto. This is an example. This is for grade 7, Science 7, quarter 1, week 1. Ito po, ganito lang po naman siya ang ginagawa natin. Kung gusto nyo rin matuto, you may write Sir Roy. Okay, control group. Ito yung mga example, i-check natin. So malalaman po ng bata kung tama ba o mali. So these are examples, ano? Ayan. So interactive siya. Ito rin po yung aming tinuturo sa mga schools. And sabi nga kanina ni Sir Ariel, we have monitored Kiamba 1. They are not implementers of LR on wheels, but they had, wala silang TV na binigay ni DepEd na ni division at region, pero nagagawa po nilang maging interactive ang klase nila. So hindi po siya hindrance, ano. So this one, malalaman ng bata ang kanyang sagot. Okay, so again, no, these are all materials contextualized by our teachers, content creators na nagiging interactive po. So ito po siya. All right, so yun ang ating mga site na pwedeng kunan. Then saan pa man tayo makaka-make ng ating mga material? I also tried with this one, the h5p.org. Ito po, pwede nyo gawing interactive inyong mga materials by logging in to h5p.org. Ayan, may mga examples po dito and tutorial kung paano makakagawa rin ng mga interactive videos, course presentations, and other interactive videos. Ayan po siya. Ito yung ginagamit namin during our sessions. And siguro wala na akong masishare sa inyo. And ito yung mga latest po pala na mga materials na nasa ating portal na pwede nyo i-download, ano. So these are the latest as of April 28, 2023. Updated na rin po yung ating portal. So pwede po ninyo siyang gamitin. Okay? So maybe that's it, Sir Ariel, ang aking presentation. Kaya I know I have only enough time to share with you. Hindi ako makashare. Stop sharing na ako, sir. Ayan. Okay, and gaya ng sinabi ni Sir Ariel, being a smart and implementers, you could use the Starbooks, no? Yung mga implementer natin, yung binigyan ng DOST na Starbooks, pwede po rin yung gamitin. There are a lot of materials po na nandoon, mga research, mga references. We have also the Google Classroom na pwede nyong gamitin for your interactive lessons. At saka yung sa Kutobi, no? And I know Sir Ariel would share with you mas marami pa kasi Sir Ariel is using this ICT tools long time ago. Okay, so that's it. Thank you, Sir Ariel and Sir Roy, for the time sharing with you the accessibility of learning resources. And by the way, magpa-plug in lang po pala ako, Sir Ariel, yung sa National Storybooks Competition, open na rin po at may mga materials na rin po tayo na mga storybooks, ano, na pwede rin nilang magamit. At the same time, they could also make their own materials. They just submit it to the LRMS para po ma-evaluate din natin. Ayun. Thank you and good afternoon.
Thank you very much, Ma'am Jude. Si Ma'am Donna nag-raise ng hand. Baka may gustong sabihin si Ma'am Donna. Ma'am Don?
Okay. Sige. Thank you. Thank you, Jude. Jude, matanong ko lang kung lahat ba ng mga teachers natin ay alam paano i-access ang portal natin, yung na-share mo kanina?
Actually, ma'am, lahat po ng pag kami ay pumupunta sa field na i-share natin. At the same time po, may mga division memorandum po tayong na ibigay previously. And by the way pala, I know Sir Ariel also shared yung ating DepEd sarangani.org. Nandoon din po yung ating pag-a-access, ang link kung saan sila mag-a-access ng mga materials. Yes, ma'am Don, they know it. At the same time, na-present ko rin sa kanila yung video para baka nakaligtaan lang naman.
Sige. Thank you, Ma'am Judith. Siguro kung may mga dapat tayong ilagay na lang natin sa GC, no, i-post na lang natin mga reminders on how to access, kung ano yung mga available sa portals para at least guided sila. Thank you so much.
Okay. So sige, thank you very much, Ma'am Judith, no, for sharing that. Ayan. So our last part, no, tungkol naman ito sa ICT equipment ay di-discuss ni Sir Roy. But prior to that, no, before muna dyan, para makontinue lang natin yung ano yung sinasabi kinina ni Ma'am Judith, meron lang akong i-share din. Si Roy, meron lang muna akong i-share. Okay, so if you can see that, no? So yan yung ating website nga kanina, no? Balikan ko lang. So yung tinutukoy ni Ma'am Judith kanina na learning resources, if you go to that learning resources, meron na po tayong link, no? Nandiyan na yung mga link na mga nabanggit kanina ni Ma'am Judith nandyan. And then yung second, yung ating SmartEd initiative, yung ating presentations ngayon, no, sa training na to, lahat ng materials related to SmartEd initiative ay ipopost po dyan. Itong ating orientation this afternoon has also been recorded or is being recorded. We will also be posting the recording doon din sa SmartEd initiative na page, no, para po ma-remind tayo again, no, tungkol sa mga napag-usapan natin in this orientation. So halimbawa, if you open yung ating learning resources page sa ating website na depedsarangani.org, ayan. So nandiyan na yung link natin sa LRMDS portal. So kung baka makalimutan niyo yung mga link na na-mention kanina, isa lang yung pupuntahan niyo, no, sa depedsarangani.org, tapos yung ating links and learning resources. So nandiyan yung LRMDS portal, nandiyan yung National Education Portal, no? Yan yung laman kanina pinakita ni Ma'am Judith, no? Example ng lesson natin sa National Education Portal. Nandiyan yung SOC self-learning modules, meron din tayong mga SLMs, and then yung mga DepEd TV videos, meron din tayong link, no? Kung isang link lang ang pupuntahan niyo to naka-organize yan, no? Into the different subject areas and grade levels. And then yung ating enhanced learning activity sheets ay nandyan din sa link na yan. Okay? So kung meron kayong makalimutan again or anything, nasa depedsarangani.org lang yan. And then you can just PM us, ask us kung meron kayong mga gusto pang itanong. At mamaya din na, actually after this, meron din tayong Q&A portion.